Just days after President Trump signed an executive order seeking to ban gender-affirming care for anyone under 19, three major health systems in Virginia are now following suit.
Children's Hospital of the King's Daughters, the University of Virginia, and Virginia Commonwealth University all have suspended gender-affirming treatments and surgical procedures for minors. Jeremiah Beatty spoke with the CEO of the LGBT Life Center about the executive order and the impact it could have on children and their families.
Earlier this morning, I spoke to Stacey Walls, who says the biggest concern for families following this executive order is the medical ramifications it can have on children. She says many parents are scrambling to learn next steps.
What do they do for their kids now? They know the side effects of stopping treatment in the middle.
Confusion, fear, and stress is how Stacey Walls, CEO of the LGBT Life Center, describes the reaction from families of children across Hampton Roads. She says they are now having to change course and fast. She says when it comes to gender-affirming care, the consequences of not having this type of care is a matter of life and death.
For kids that don't have gender-affirming care, at least 50% of them seriously consider suicide.
Under President Trump's directive, doctors will also no longer be allowed to prescribe or refill medications. Those who choose to do so could face legal action by the Department of Justice. The ban also directs federally run insurance programs, including insurance for military families and Medicaid, to exclude coverage for this type of care.
And so now we have to go back to kids and say, yep, we made this decision together with your clinician, but somebody else is telling us that we can't.
Wall says her organization offers youth and family support groups to help them navigate under this directive. CHKD's CEO released a statement on Monday about their suspension of gender-affirming care. She says they are committed and working with families and children who seek this type of care in Hampton Roads. For 13 News Now, Jeremiah Beatty.
Well, the LGBT Life Center is hosting a community discussion next Tuesday to help families understand how this order affects gender-affirming care. That event will be held at 37th and Zen, that's in Norfolk, at 6:30 p.m. It is free and open to the public.